Hey there, and welcome to our training video on the installation of shoring systems in New York City. You know, shoring systems are absolutely essential in construction, providing that vital support for temporary structures in high-profile projects like athletic stadiums, commercial high-rises, and healthcare facilities. So today we'll focus on two primary types of shoring systems: high-load steel frames and aluminum frames. High-load steel frames are engineered to withstand significant loads, making them just perfect for those demanding construction environments. Now, aluminum shoring frames, on the other hand, combine lightweight efficiency with robust support. Crafted from corrosion-resistant materials, they allow for quick assembly and dismantling, which, honestly, is crucial for meeting diverse project requirements. Before we even begin installation, a thorough site assessment is essential. It's important to identify potential hazards and plan for load requirements to ensure safety. Okay, so next up, it's really important to make sure that all workers involved in the shoring installation are adequately trained and certified. You know, being familiar with equipment handling, safety protocols, and emergency procedures is absolutely crucial. Personal protective equipment, or PPE, is a must. All workers should be wearing hard hats, gloves, safety glasses, and steel-toed boots to help minimize risks. Before installation, you've got to thoroughly inspect all shoring equipment for any damage or wear. And, just as important, make sure that all components are compatible and meet load specifications. Proper load distribution is crucial. Make sure loads are evenly distributed across shoring frames to prevent structural failure. Engage engineers to confirm load calculations and designs. When it comes time to dismantle the shoring, carefully reverse the installation process. Ensure that all components remain stable and secure before removal. Compliance with OSHA and NYC regulations is mandatory for shoring work here in New York City. OSHA lays out some pretty specific standards for scaffold safety. A couple of the key points are, doing regular inspections and making sure the equipment can safely support the intended loads. The NYC, or New York Department of Buildings, has some additional requirements too. This includes things like obtaining permits for shoring operations and submitting shoring plans that are signed by a licensed professional engineer. To actually perform shoring installation in New York City, there are various licenses and certifications you gotta have. That includes a site safety manager, a licensed professional engineer, and OSHA certifications. So, in conclusion, shoring systems are really indispensable in modern construction. By following all the established guidelines and sticking to safety protocols, construction teams can effectively use shoring systems while, keeping worker safety and structural integrity as top priorities.